And welcome to Tim Dahle NISSAN Southtown. It's in the middle of January, so it's pretty cold out here today. But I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you more about our Nissan 3500 4-wheel drive conversion van. So you might be asking yourself, what makes our van so special? Well, we actually use only Nissan parts to do our conversion. So when you buy a van from us, you're getting a van that has actual Nissan parts. So one of the questions that I'm commonly asked is, what's the average build time and delivery time? And believe it or not, it only takes about a week to put these vans together. We've got a crew back there that has specialized in just doing the kits. Once you pick out your van, you can pick out the components that you want on it. The accessories, the wheels, the roof rack, tire combination, running boards, some lift, TVs, DVDs. So I wanted to go over the 4-wheel drive system on our vans. Every part on this is from Nissan. So our 4-wheel drive system, we have the 2 high, the 4 high, and we can push it in for 4 low. So if you're driving along and the conditions become compromised, you can switch easily from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. And then to go into 4 low, all you do is you simply put it neutral, you push it in, move it over, put it back into drive, and now you're in 4 low. To take it out, you put it in neutral, you push it in, you put it in 4 high, put it back into drive, and away you go. So there you have it, the Nissan NV3500 4-wheel drive conversion van from Tim Dahle NISSAN Southtown. The only place you can get this particular van. Call us today or come in and check us out.